Hello friends, welcome to the Ayurvedic channel. Today we will know why do not throw away vegetable peels. Yes, do not throw away vegetable peels because enhance beauty with vegetable peels. So we all will see how. Cutting slices of cucumber and placing them on the eyes refresh the eyes and remove the all tiredness. Everyone know this. But applying cucumber peels on the face for 15 minutes and then washing the face with cold water will clearly show a glow on the face. Antioxidant present in tomato make the skin healthy, but massaging the face with tomato peel make the face glow. Both lemon juice and its peel are beneficial. Rubbing it peel on the heels clean the heels. Applying potato peel on the face remove the problems of blemish, wrinkles. If there are a lot of pimples in the face, then it also gives relief. Grind the carrot in a mixer and applying its paste on the face. This removes the dirt from the face. Carrot contains vitamin C, which makes the face clean and glowing. Never throw away the peels of radish. It contains vitamin B6, which is sufficient to cure blackheads. Rub its peels on the face and later wash it with water. Applying beetroot juice or grinding beetroot on the face cures dark spots of the face and also improves skin tone. For similarly to get information about Ayurvedic at home, like the video and subscribe to the channel.